There to all you passionate teachers out there. Today we're going to look at the front end of the Abuti Academy Online Classroom, and let's have a look at what the students will see on their side. But before we go to this page, I'm just going to go back one page. So if you click on this back button, let's quickly see where we end up. So this is the main page, or hoofbladsy in Afrikaans, and this is where the students will find their classes. So on this side over here, you will see that the student will be able to enter a class. Let's say, for example, the class is called Woodside. I'm just going to do that. And then the search engine will pick up the class, for example, Woodside Grade 3 Math. That's one of the classes that I'm taking at the moment. All right, so I'm clicking on Woodside Grade Math, and now I've joined the class. Okay, so I've now gotten the class code from my teacher, and I've joined this class, and now I can enter into this class. So it's gaan in or enter. Let's go into this class and let's see what the teacher has prepared for us. Okay, so here you can see it's Jenny's grade 5 classroom, all right, or grade 3, whatever. And let's see, teacher Jenny at this moment has one lesson. So we're gonna click on that lesson, and now we can choose all of these activities that teacher Jenny has prepared for us, right? So first of all, I think let's look at the teacher's instructions. So teacher Jenny has given us some guidelines to follow. I'm going to click on teacher's instructions. There we go. And let's just wait a second for the page to load. So here you can see that we have some instructions. Here you can explain to students what they need to do, and you can look at this example below. So here teacher Jenny, for example, has told us that we need to follow these steps. So step 1 would be watch the video. Step 2 is go to the workbook page. Let's see, step 3 would be listening to the song. And step 4 is play the teddy game. And then step 5 is hand in your assignment. All right, so these are all the instructions from the teacher, and this is what you as the teacher can then lay out for the students, PDF or Word document, whatever you prefer, and help them understand exactly what you want them to do. So let's see, teacher Jenny wants us to watch the video. Watch the video where they help you to learn how to count. Okay, so we're going to go to the video. Here you can just click on the button. It's as easy as that. Let's see, we have 2 videos here. So the first one is something called Math Antics. All right, and we're gonna press play, and let's see what happens. So here we go. We have a screen that gives us the option to play the video. All right, I'm just gonna scroll down a little bit. Let's see. There we go. And now we can watch the video. All right, and it's gonna look something like this.
Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome to Math Antics. In this
Okay, so here the video is going to help the students to learn how to count. If you then want to make the video full screen, you have the option to make the video full screen for the students, or the students have the option to full screen the video. You can then also exit just by hovering at the top there. It gives you this option to exit the screen. Let's just do that again. There we go. And it looks like teacher Jenny has given us another video called Place Value. So we're going to click on this one. So let's see, teacher Jenny has given us another video, and this one looks like it's a song. So we can just press play again and see what the video is all about. There we go. And all of this material we just sourced from the internet. This is all from YouTube and free, license-free material that we added to this lesson in order to explain to you how easy it is.
The Abuti Syllabus Better World Project. No child gets left behind.